This video will show you how you can add or delete items from your quote. While you're in your quote, if you scroll down to where your global model is, you'll see there are two different options for adding product to your quote. The first one is Quick Config, and the second one is Add Product. Quick Config is the quickest way to add product. It will take your existing configuration that you already have set up here and apply it to any new product that you add. If you'd like to choose Add Product, that will allow you to add products one at a time, but you'll need to reconfigure those lines. So it does not copy all of this information. It assumes that you want to start a new style, and it will ask you to fill out all this information. So usually I'll click on Quick Config. That's the quickest way to add product to your quote. So that just brings you into a screen that shows you what's already on your quote. You can go to your next blank line and just type in your cabinet and either hit your Enter key, or you can scroll to the bottom of this page and hit Add. You can also key a list of items. If you have more than one cabinet, you don't only have the option to put in one at a time. You can key a list. And there's also a search box here to the right of the product field. If you're not sure of a specific code, you can come in and search for it. Lots of times it's easy to search for CC kits. Those aren't the most obvious SKUs. It'll give you all your different SKU options, and you can just select them to add them to your quote. So just remember to hit Enter or Add on this screen to add your items to the quote. If you need to reconfigure them in any way, you can do that on this page with these little wrenches that pop up. Those will give you the option to make modifications to just those specific lines. But once you're done adding all your products, you can just hit Return to Quote at the top here, and that will bring you back to your quote. All your new products will be added at the bottom. So if I scroll down, you can see those are the three cabinets I just added. Now, if you want to delete a product, there's a little pull down to the left here with a delete option. There's one of these pull downs on every line. So you can delete a single line that way. And you can also use these check boxes to delete as well. If you have multiple lines that you want to delete, you can check all the boxes, and then at the top here, there's a delete option. And that will delete any of the lines that you have selected. There is not an option for you to go into a specific filler and change it to a different filler. You can't change a UF3 to UF6. In that situation, you would need to delete this line and go into Quick Config to add in another line for the UF6. So I'll also show you this Add Product just so you can see what it looks like. Again, it's only going to allow you to add one product at a time. You can either search for it in the search box, or you can type in the SKU if you know it right over here and hit Add. And this is where it's going to ask you to call out the configuration of the product. And you can hit Next to go through all the options, or if you want to keep the same information, you can just hit Finish, and it'll apply all the existing configurations. And then again, if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see the new product added right there.